In today's video, we are going to show you how to download pictures from Pinterest on a computer. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and go to the search bar and find the image that you want. For example, I'm gonna type in a specific query, and all I have to do is super simple. Let's say I wanted to download this specific image. Click on the pin to see its full size, and all I have to do is super simple. Hover your mouse over the image and click the three dots icon. It says more actions. Here, all I have to do is click the download image. Now, before you download, remember many images on Pinterest are copyrighted. Always give credit to the creator and avoid using images commercially unless you have permission. And once you've done that, click the download image, click the save button, and basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.